YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, I have a little bit of a different unboxing, especially for my taste. I'm not even gonna call it an unboxing as much as it is a review, but you guys read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you already know what it is, man. But before we get into this video, man, if you are new here, make sure that you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel. Also, if you want to support and you're already subscribed, all that I ask is that you take the 2 seconds to go ahead, smash that like button. It really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the videos, which can help grow the channel. And then last but not least, make sure that you go ahead and follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, post stories, questions, kicks of the day, all that stuff. Now, without further ado, let's get into it, man. So you guys see the box, just brown box all the way around. Quick shout out to my homie. So this actually isn't my pair. This isn't my personal pair. He actually hit on these on sneakers and stuff, on the sneakers and stuff raffle last week, and asked me if I wanted to review them, and I was like, sure. This is the same guy who, when I did the early review of the Hair 6s, that was his pair. I obviously have my own pair of Hair 6s now. He was able to hit on the Jubilees twice for me, which is how I got 2 Jubilees for retail. He also helped me get my Fire Red 5s. He got the Royal Toe 1s that I reviewed. Those were his Royal Toe 1s. The Off-White 5s that I reviewed, those were his. I don't know what he does over there, but he hits on everything. Like, I hit on a lot of stuff, but he hits on everything. But anyways, man, shout out to you, man. Let's get into this video. So, real quick on the box label, this is a foam runner, and the colorway is sand, and I believe that he said these retail for $80. I'm not sure, I'm not too up on these, but I think these retail for $80. You open the box, you get your foam right there, and then down back behind the shoe, you get the runner. And let's pull this paper back, pull out the sneaker, or I guess if you want to call it a sneaker, whatever this is. But here it is, the Yeezy Foam Runner Sand. YouTube, here it is, the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner in the sand colorway. Now, I don't know what to say about these, man. This isn't the first time I've seen these in person. I have seen them in stores before, like consignment stores, Hype Room, places like that. But this is my first time where, like, I have them in my house. You know what I mean? This, once again, isn't my pair. This is a size 10. I'm a size 12, so I can't try these on or anything. They aren't mine, so I wouldn't have tried them on anyways. But it's just weird, man. It's an interesting shoe. Like, I get it and I don't get it. Like, I kind of wish Adidas just released these as their own sneaker or croc or sandal slide, whatever, right? I kind of wish Adidas released this as their own thing without Kanye being attached to it. Now, don't get me wrong. I do see that these could be very, very comfortable, just like feeling the cushioning on it and everything on it on the bottom. I know a couple people who do have pairs of these, and they do feel like they'll be super comfortable. You know what I'm saying? It looks like, I think they were printed or something. One solid piece. Really, really dope. I actually believe, like, I think it's dope how these were made, and I believe that the regular slides were made like that as well. And the D Rose pair that is supposed to be coming out soon. And I'm actually a little interested in the D Rose pair just because it's something different. But I am interested in that. But yeah. Anyways, man, we got basically a futuristic croc right here in this tan or sand colorway, man. And that's the best word I have for it, right? A futuristic croc. Now, I do think they are a little bit, I don't wear Crocs, but I think that these are, I guess, a little better than Crocs. And once again, I haven't tried them on foot, so I don't know. But the reason why I think they would be better for your foot than Crocs are just because of the fact that there is a true heel, not just a strap. Now, the biggest problem with Crocs is that they don't fit tight on the top of your foot. They don't have anything to lock you down on your heel, so they slide around a lot. And then just subconsciously, your toes end up pulling and what's this called? Curling while you're wearing Crocs. And a lot of people do develop foot problems wearing Crocs. These potentially, I don't see having that same problem because it does look like they do lock down your foot in place more, man. But $80 retail, I believe, for these, and I think he said he paid $10 shipping. So $90 total. Now, once again, these are, like I said, they're interesting, bro. I live near the water, right, where there's a beach. Like, this is a shoe I could, if I had a pair, maybe see myself wearing to the beach, sliding on to go to the store or something like that. If I knew it was gonna be wet out or whatever. But once again, if it's raining, I don't know if you can wear socks with these in the rain, right? Like, it's weird because then your socks get wet. And dude, I have so many, as you guys can tell, just conflicting thoughts about these. Now, the one thing I do like about these, right, if you do want to have no socks and just have your foot out, right, some people got ugly toes and at least it cover your toes up. But once again, yo, these are straight, right? These are straight. The only reason why, you know what I mean, my problem with them, not just aesthetically or whatever it is, but my problem with them is this is not worth, to me, $80 even retail. And I've seen some different colorways reselling for $400 for these. Would you, hey, if you would pay $400 for these, let me know down below in the comments because I want to have a talk with you. But yeah, I've seen some people paying $400 for these and in different colorways. Like, to me, this is a $30 sneaker, $30 sneaker that you go, I gotta stop calling it a sneaker. This is a $30 slide or sandal or water shoe, right? A $30 slide that you would pick up in Walmart, and once again, like you wear when you go on vacation to the beach or to the water park, right? That's what I think of when I see these. And these are actually this is a really good water park shoe. I love water parks. This is a great water park shoe. That's what this is for. But it's a $20-$30 water park shoe, not an $80 retail, $400 resale, right? I'd rather keep these. You know what I'm saying? I'm okay with just a regular Adidas slide. You know what I'm saying? Or like that's how I get down if I want some slides, something like that. Once again, save your money. Guess if you like Crocs, get Crocs. You know what I mean? If you could get these for retail and you think they're worth it, okay. You know what I'm saying? Spend the $80 if you think it's worth. I don't think it's worth it, but if you do, $80 is nowhere near as bad as $400, even $300, even $200. The dude I got these from, I believe he said he sold his. These are already sold. He already sold these to somebody. He just had to ship them out. But these are already sold, I believe, for $250, right? I wouldn't spend that money. He said he wouldn't spend that money. Hey, if you would spend that money, man, once again, like I said, let me know down below in the comments. We may need to have a little chat about your finances. But that's, yeah, I don't know what else to say about this shoe, man. It's weird. It's futuristic, you know what I'm saying? Once again, if these ever end up going for below retail or whatever, cool. This is like, and once again, I've said this before, if you guys want to get a fake or UA version or something, right, I have no problem with that at all. No problem getting UAs or whatever. I don't own any, but this sneaker, I gotta stop calling it a sneaker. This thing right here would be the one time maybe I would consider going in a UA direction if I were to get one, but it's not even worth it. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not getting it. Let me know what you guys think, man. Maybe I'm off. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not even that I'm hating on Yeezys. Like, yes, I'm not the biggest Yeezy fan. I tell you guys all the time, to me, all 350s are the same. But I still respect and understand why people buy like a Yeezy 350 or a 700 or whatever it is, a 380. I get it. You know what I'm saying? It's a sneaker. I get why it costs $200 or whatever, $250, $220 retail. It's a real shoe with materials and stitching and all of that. This is just, I don't know, man. I feel like it feels like I'm holding a egg carton that someone kind of crushed up into the shape of a shoe. I don't know, bro, but whatever. Hey, I'm done with those, man. That's it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, man. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel, you know what I'm saying? If you want to support all of the assets, you should go ahead, take the 2 seconds to go ahead and smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the channel, man. And last but not least, take the time to go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, you know what I'm saying? Get a lot of things up there for us, post stories, questions, kicks of the day. Would have seen me post these up there already, man. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.